Okay. Good morning, everyone. We will discuss about the role of office system to improve employee performance productivity in PT Koprima Pacific Sejahtera Tuban. Before we start about discuss group, let me introduce my group.
Hello, my name is Tanisa Dwi Kusumaningrum.
Hello, my name is Chelsea Pasa Prasadani.
Hello, my name is Acila Estiratu Parisa.
Hello, my name is Alifah Nuraili.
Hello, my name is Meta Aulia Permatasari.
Okay. Introduce. In this era of globalization, humans must keep up with the world. Human resources are the most important component in office management. But both institutions and companies, the main goal of the company is to make a profit and be the best in meeting customer needs. In addition to being supported by an adequate work environment, motivation and worker discipline are some of the factors that can affect the high and low productivity of employees. The achieve the desired result of the company work productivity is very important. A high level of productivity will have an impact on both parties, namely the company and employees. If productivity is high, then both will benefit. PT Prima Pacific Sejahtera is a sold and customer-oriented company with a commitment to quality service and social responsibility. The continuously strive to achieve excellence in all aspects of their business. Next, literature review. What is an office system? J.C. Daniel, an expert from the UK, says, says, that, says that an office system is a sequence of common operation performed by a particular company, such as giving wages, invoicing, sales, and so on. According to Terry, an office procedure is a collection of related administrative action, usually performed by more than one person, which form a standardized way of carrying out an important and comprehensive type of office activity. System characteristic. Number one, easy to customize. A good system must also be able to be adapted to new conditions quickly and easily without changing the exciting system or disrupting its main function. Number two, effective. The system must be able to help achieve targets that have been adjusted. Number three, systematic. Exciting system must be organized and logical structured in order to operate effectively. This means that the system will not hinder or interfere with work activities that are already taking place. Number 4, flexible. Well-structured and organized systems are effective, but they must be flexible enough to more easily adjust to frequently changing conditions. And last, optimize the use of resource. A well-designed system will help the company make optimal use of resource. Next.
Okay, next is system elements. Number 1 is inputs. Number 2 is processing. Number 3 is output. Number 4 is feedback. And the last is supervision. Next. Okay, next is stage of system development. Number 1 is limit the process that needs to be taught. Number 2 is provide planning regarding the content and ongoing process. Number 3 is review the ongoing process. Number 4 is plan the process created. Number 5 is create a new process. Next. Types of office system. Number 1 is operational level system. Number 2 is staff level office system. Number 3 is management level system. And number 4, strategic level system.
Okay, performance productivity. Work production is the activity of making certain works, such as product, ideas, notion, abilities, and so on, along with certain effort to produce works consistently. Productivity in a company is an important agenda that must involve all elements in it. This includes management, employees, and all individuals involved in the agency activities to achieve a common goal. Next. Next, productivity factors. 1. Interesting work. 2. Job security and protection. 3. Good working environment or atmosphere. 4. Good good wages. And 5. Sorry. And 5, appreciating the purpose and meaning of work. Last, feeling involved in organizational activities. Next. Work productivity factors. 1, their promotion and development is in line with the development of the company or agency. 3, your loyalty of leaders to employees. And 3, harsh work discipline.
Okay, findings. The role of office system to improve employer performance productivity. One of the successes of using office system at PT Koprima Pacific Sejahtera is the increased productivity of employee performance. An efficient office system helps employee performance in information management, which includes storing and searching various data needs for daily tasks. By using the right office system, it will be easier for employers to double-check items missing or lacking data. For example, when employers incorrectly input data that will be sent to the director of the company. So, employers must recheck the data on the company's web. Therefore, employer work productivity is needed so that the same mistake do not occur, which can result in the company losing its business. Next, office system concept. The concept of office system can stress on incorporating technology to improve efficiency and productivity. By applying the appropriate technology, office system can speed up work process, reduce operational costs, and improve data accessibility. At PT Koprima Pacific Sejahtera, it is also equipped with employer data verification and fingerprints. So if you want to access company data, you need an account from an employer who works at PT Koprima Pacific Sejahtera and the fingerprint concerned. This method is applied so that PT Koprima Pacific Sejahtera is more careful in accessing data so that data leaks do not occur and avoid hacker. Next, office layout system. Office layout is a key factor in carrying out employee work and tasks because the layout of the room at PT Koprima Pacific Sejahtera still cannot provide adequate facilities. So it is necessary to manage the arrangement of the room. At PT Koprima Pacific Sejahtera, the spatial system also needs to be considered because an ineffective layout will affect employee performance productivity where employees will get bored and uncomfortable faster. Therefore, PT Koprima Pacific Sejahtera always rearranges the placement of the spatial system so that employees are more comfortable and enthusiastic about working.
Employees perform productivity at PT Koprima Pacific Sejahtera. It not to be explained that the things that after the company work productivity is human resource. If it's unfulfilled, the company will run more easily and the company will more easily know the movement of the competition. PT Koprima also use sophisticated technology management system to monitor and improve employee productivity. By using technology, the company can identify place where efficiency can be improved, profit times paid back to employees, ensure that resources are used optimally. Next. Relationship between office system and employee productivity. Number one, when employees start to feel bored with the problem the page. As good employees, we must encourage others so that interesting as A team can have a good relationship and have improve on work productivity. Office system relationship and that have communication and collaboration facilitate employees and also ensures productivity. Number two, during meeting, employees and as a team would have interest so that they can collaborate and effectively as to accelerate the completion of the achieve company goals. Three, acceptance of progress to have a talk with the also apply attention to the work of employees. For example, perform prior rooms courses to support work values and employees motivation. Next. Conclusion. The implementation of the efficient office system at PT Koprima Pacific Sejahtera has successfully increased improved productivity. A proper office system facilitates faster and more office information management and data access and allow employees to work flexibly from various locations. In addition, good office layout management also plays a role in managing employees' productivity by creating a comfortable and efficient working environment. With a comprehensive approach to productivity improvement, the company manages business and activity teams within are valuable asset in acting long-term success.
Okay, this is the presentation from Group 2 about the role of office system to improve employee performance productivity PT Koprima Pacific Sejahtera Tuban. We hope this presentation can provide useful information for friends and teachers. We apologize for any shortcomings and mistake in your presentation. Thank you for your attention.